Good morning, Barry. How are you? Is that okay in the satin sheets? Hey. And one other thing, there's not just satin sheets. This is also a waterbed. It's a hard life, isn't it? So there's Barry. Here's Puggy. We'll give him a little say g'day. Hey, he's blind and deaf, this guy. He's very old. This is Barry's dad. Anyway, it's been a hard night, and the time is now nearly 10 o'clock in the morning. They show no sign of getting up. Okay. What I can do to wake him up, though, is ask him a question. And that is, you guys hungry? This must be a worldwide thing that happens for pugs. You hungry, Baz? You guys hungry? Come on. Come on, let's go and have something to eat. It's a big jump.